Yeah, so what's up YouTube, it's your boy Dion back again with another video. So today we're simply just going to be making a beat for Santan Dave, and it's going to be something inspired by JAE5's production. So it's going to be an Afroswing beat. So first of all, I have these synth pipes here, so I'm going to figure out some chords. Mostly as usual, I'm going to start with the bass notes in the key of E minor. Kind of like that, so I'm just going to duplicate the notes and create chords, or basically just try it. Yeah, I like that, but I just feel like it lacks some uniqueness, so I'm gonna knock every middle note up an octave. Change this chord to another chord. Let me just check. I feel like A minor will sound better, so let me just knock this one down an octave, and then I knock the middle note up an octave. Yeah, pretty vibey. I like that, so Ctrl B to copy it over, and I'm gonna add some notes just to create more bounce to the melody.
Six and a half hours later.
Alt S to strum. We're gonna add some effects on it. We're gonna add a shaper box. This is only gonna add a tremolo effect to it. And next of all, we're gonna add an EQ as well. Now it sounds like this. So I actually like that a lot. So I'm just actually gonna layer that with another sound. I have this Mondo Rimba from Triton again. So it's simply just gonna follow the chords. Yeah, I kind of like that, so Ctrl B to copy it over. I'm gonna use this choir of light, so I'm actually just gonna play the same chords as the marimba, and this is just gonna layer the rest of the melody, and it sounds like this. But one thing I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna send it to the same mixer track. So next up, I then added this bell kind of thing, and this is just to layer the rest of the melody and just to give it more of a ear candy kind of feel. So it's in D sharp minor, so we're gonna move it to E minor by simply just knocking it up one semitone. So we're gonna move it up 100 cents, so then it's in the same key. And so now I'm just gonna reverse it, then I'm gonna add some effects on it. First of all, I'm gonna add a flanger, then I'm gonna add a reverb, and then EQ just to fit it more to the beat. So we're gonna move on to the next thing, which is basically just the drums. So we're gonna add some stereo delay to the main rim, and the main rim is gonna be layered by the snap. So the next thing we're going to be adding is more percussion, just to give it the bounce we're going for. And next I have this perk, and this is just going to add more bounce to the rest of the drums. And as well as this one. Okay, so next thing we're gonna add is the kick. It's gonna be a pretty spaced out kick. And you just gotta make sure it bounces off the rest of the percussion. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna add a hi-hat. And this hi-hat pattern actually took me a little bit of time. It's pretty vibey. I actually added some panning on it just to give it more width. And then I came in with the Reese Bass. Then I also added this 808, which will also be in the pack. And once I hit 1K, I'll be dropping it. So I add an envelope to it, and then simply just follow the root notes of the melody, and ensure that you add slide notes to it. This just makes it a little bit more interesting. So for this part, we're gonna knock this one up an octave, and this one we're gonna do a little bit something different as well. We'll shorten it, and then we're gonna add one here. See how it sounds. Yeah, pretty happy with that. So I made a pretty easy arrangement, and so I'm gonna play the beat. So please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. If you're actually interested in the beat or the FLP, just hit me up on my IG and we can definitely figure something out. Peace out. See you in the next one.
Dion drop songs in it.